In this video, we're going to set up user permissions. Before you can add a user, the first step is to create permission roles for your users. Permission roles control which part of the system users have access to. To add a permission role, go to the navigation menu on the left. Under the User Management tab, select Permission Roles. Click the Add New Permission Role button on the top left. Here you can customize each permission role. For example, a common permission role would be an administrator. An administrator would likely have access to all areas of the system. Begin filling out the form. Under functional areas, you can select which areas this user can view, add, edit, or delete. For example, if you want a user to have access to punch list reports, click Delete to enable all functions. Alternatively, if you want this user to only view or add a certain task, you can select the components individually. Once you've selected the functions you want this user to have access to, select Save.